Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here are the consequences for pulling fire alarms. If you are a very young kid, you are not going to get into trouble because young kids don't know how bad it is. Very young kid, under 5 years old. When you are 5 and 6 years old, you are going to get suspended from school. And as you get older and older, the consequences for pulling the alarm are more severe. When you are over 18 years old and you pull the alarm, you are going to get arrested because it is not a toy. No matter what age you are, do not pull fire alarms because that is bad. Only pull fire alarms if there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do so, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department. But other than that, do not pull fire alarms. Why aren't the young kids getting in trouble for pulling the fire alarm? Is because they are too young to know how bad it is. But if you are older and you pull the alarm, you are definitely going to get arrested because it is not a toy. Bye.